Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix and optimize the new ClickUp Board View. Board View is great for visualizing tasks and columns, but sometimes you may encounter issues or need to adjust it for your workflow. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once it loads, sign in to your ClickUp account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. Navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to use Board View. Next, click the View drop-down at the top of your task area and select Board View. This will display your tasks in columns, usually organized by status. If your board view looks empty or tasks aren't showing correctly, the first thing to check is your filters. Click the filter icon and make sure no unnecessary filters are hiding tasks. Another common issue is grouping. Board View allows grouping by assignee, priority, or custom fields. If tasks seem misplaced, check your grouping settings and adjust them to reflect the workflow you want. This ensures tasks appear in the correct columns. Column settings are also important. You can add, remove, or rename columns to match your project stages. Drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status quickly. If a column is missing tasks, double-check that the tasks have the correct status or field value that matches the column. Sorting is another feature to optimize. You can sort tasks within columns by due date, priority, or custom fields. This makes it easier to see what needs attention first. Board View also supports color coding, which helps visually differentiate task types or priorities. Finally, if you're experiencing glitches, try refreshing your browser or clearing cache. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with ClickUp's interface, so disabling them temporarily can help. And that's it. Fixing and optimizing Board View in ClickUp is straightforward once you know where to check filters, grouping, and columns. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips. Hope this helps.